In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in your account settings. Keeping your date format consistent with how you read and write dates can save you from mix-ups and make reports or schedules much easier to scan. Whether you prefer day-month-year, month-day-year, or the international year-month-day format, the process to update it is quick and straightforward. I'll guide you through it and point out what to look for along the way. Start by opening the Settings area of your account. This is typically found in the main navigation, often represented by a small gear icon. Click it to enter your general settings. If you're working within a larger app, you may need to be on the Account or Profile section first. Once you're in Settings, you're in the right place. Next, head to Basic Information. This is the section that holds core details about your account and how information appears. Go ahead and click Basic Information to open it. You should now see fields and preferences related to your profile and formatting. Within this page, scroll until you find the option labeled Date Format. It's usually grouped with other display preferences. Take a moment here to review the available options. You'll commonly see choices like DD, YYYY, YYYY, or YYYYMMDD. Many interfaces also show a sample date next to each option so you can confirm the exact order of day, month, and year at a glance. If you frequently share documents across regions, consider the ISO standard YYYYMMDD, which is unambiguous and sorts neatly. Once you've looked over the options, select your preferred format. This choice affects how dates display across the app, including lists, reports, and forms, so pick the one that feels most natural to you and your team. If you handle historical data or deadlines often, choosing a format you instantly recognize can help prevent errors. After making your selection, don't forget to save. Click Save Changes to apply your new date format. You may see a brief confirmation message, and the update should take effect across your account. From here on, any dates shown should follow the format you just chose, making your experience more consistent and easier to read. That's all it takes. You clicked Settings, opened Basic Information, scrolled to Date Format, picked the style you prefer, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a clearer, more consistent way to view dates throughout your account.